website apkmirror.com.com, and then press on that. Yeah. I think my Wi-Fi is a bit bad, but it doesn't really matter. So now it's loading. See? Yeah. Okay, so see this? This is what should come up. No, don't press on that download, okay? That's an ad. Now it says down here, it says, all this information about it. Oh, you can't see. All this information about it. Scroll down till you see this thing. It says download APK. You want to tap that. Then when it's done, you want to do this, yeah. And then you should be able to press on the download, and then you open it with Android package extractor or something like that. And then that's how you get